Hello everyone, welcome to Data Edit. So in this video, we will be discussing about VLookup, which is one of the lookups in XLookup and HLookup series. So yeah, we have different lookups for different purposes. So but in this video, we'll discuss about VLookup. So by the end of this video, you will know everything about VLookup, and I hope you will be pro in VLookup. Let's start. So basically, lookups are something which will be used to find and retrieve the data. Think of it as like your phone book. So in your contacts, if you go and if you search for any name, so the contact will appear immediately with that name. So that is called lookups. Same like that in Excel, we have VLookups. So in VLookup, V is nothing but vertical lookup, nothing but the traversal will be vertically like this. But in H lookup, the traversal will be like this, horizontally, horizontally. In VLookup, the traversal will be vertically. Okay. Let's start with the formula, right? Is equal to, and then we lookup value. Here, lookup value is the criteria. What criteria you're giving, and the table array is uh, the whole array. Like where the lookup value contains the whole table, and then the column index number are what columns are you returning, and then range lookup, either it will be approximate or exact. We'll discuss this along the way. Okay. For example, I need there is an employee ID. I need to return their name. Easy, right? So I need to return employee ID 009 manually. So people what does is employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is Rohan. They'll copy, they'll paste. Fine. If you want to do this manually, fine, you can do. But what if the employee ID changes? It goes to 50. What? There's nothing changed. Employee 50 is Dinesh, but it is still Rohan. Again, you have to go search and paste manually. Assume there is 100 employees, 1000 employees, 10,000 employees. So, will you be able to search manually for each employee? No. That's where the lookups comes. Okay. So, right, we look up and then our lookup value. Lookup value is criteria. What is our criteria? Our criteria is employee ID. And then our table array. So this is our whole table. Select the whole table, and in here there is one catch in VLookup. So our lookup value, which is nothing but employee ID, that employee ID should be the starting column of the table array. Always, always. If the employee ID is here and the name is here, so if you select like this, it doesn't work. VLookup always travels from left to right, not right to left. Okay, it will always travels from left to right, and the leftmost first column should be your criteria column. Okay, and now the column index numbers. Employee ID is 1, name is 2, department is 3, salary is 4, city is 5. Like that, we need name. Name is in which column? Employee ID is 1, name is 2. So name is in second column, comma. Now range lookup. Uh, True or false. This is nothing but true is nothing but approximate match. False is nothing but exact match. Okay, if you select true, it will take the lookup value which is employee ID and it will search approximately, not exactly, approximately. But here we are searching for text. It will always mostly return exact matches. Okay, so I am going to use true and then close it. And now then enter 002. See, and now enter 003 Rahul. Let's go with 19 Manish. See, employee 19 is Manish. Okay, you can return multiple columns as well with VLookup. Department, salary, city. You can always look up multiple columns as well. But there is a catch. I mean, there is a hint, trick that you need to do with VLookup. Search for VLookup. Our lookup value is this, comma. Our table array is this, comma. Now, what columns we need to return? Usually, we'll specify column number here, but it will take only one number. That's why we will use flower brackets to return multiple columns. But name is in second column, and then department is in third column, salary is in fourth column, city is in fifth column, and then close the flower brackets, and then true. So why did we use flower brackets? This is simply because we need to return multiple columns with only one lookup value. Okay, and then we'll close this, enter. See, we got everyone. Now we'll employee E02. See, employee 009 is Rohan. See, Rohan HR 43,000 channel. Even that you can see if there is no value specified in category or the lookup value, uh, the VLookup will returns n by n. That means not available. So instead of we manually typing everything, we can do one thing here. We can put a drop down list of employee IDs. For that, go to data, go to data validation, and then select list. In this source, select the entire column of our employee IDs. Okay. See, now you have a drop down easily. You can easily select them: 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Whatever drop downs we have, or whatever employee IDs we have, all will be there in the drop down. Employee 50 Dinesh, Finance 64,000 Hyderabad. Employee 50 Dinesh, Finance 64,000 Hyderabad. Like that, VLookup works. So comment down your thoughts below, and we'll see in the next video. Next video we'll discuss about XLOOKUP. Thank you. Thank you everyone.